Hi everyone, I'm Angarika. Today I'm going to speak on the topic Life gives us both happiness and sadness. My life is a loop of so many ups and downs. Each step I climb is a guiding path to drown. When you aspire to be something, the hurdles aren't escaped. A boulder on the way is a stepping stone to success. There's a scale in my life that calculates my number of trials. And each time I fail, I gear up to fly even higher. Although I feel tired, broken, and unsuccessful, but I open up the curtains to a positive morning blissful. I scale the mountains high, aiming for the peak, and the sunbeams smile sweetly as I swim the ocean's deep. Each failure is a new beginning to start afresh. Leaving behind the negativities, it is better to be positive in flesh. The person needs courage to get up and try again after failing. The infinite loop hence gets accomplished as we start again after healing. Ladder you climb will take you higher and above. But don't forget to stand again for the passion of your work. Gradually you'll learn it all as you walk with the tick tock of the clock. Time ahead will teach you lessons to fit in life like a key and a lock. Don't be afraid of your fall, as you'll grow strong and sharp. With time ahead, the cycle of crest and trough will teach you to play life's harp. A cave hiding treasures of ups and downs. The life till eternity sings you glories without a frown. Whenever you fall, there's a way to rise up again. How would you succeed in life if you never fail a day? Ever seen an ant climb a wall without falling once? It tries million times and achieves its goal at last. This is the essence of life that teaches you lessons. Do not forget the failures, but learn the mistakes with patience. Each tide gathers inside to form a wave strong. Then only can they teach and reach far and wide in form. Human world is full of ladders as stepping stones. You need to climb a stair since the day you are born. The cycle will complete only when you never give up and you'll face the happy sunlight as step in front. Billion times you will fall, but every time you will rise. Like particles of sand forming dunes, you will survive. Your life is a loop of so many ups and downs. It will give you both happiness and sadness as a guiding path to drown. It is you who need to take it in a positive or a negative way. A boulder on a way should never be a hurdle on your path to success. You have to aim for something better in life, whether life gives you happiness or sadness with time. You have to flip the coin if the sadness is above, and gradually will the happiness come to your part as you flip the coin again from the above. Thank you so much.